Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete a table in Google Docs. So let's start the video. At first, open your document. Then look at the table you want to delete. Click anywhere inside the table and right-click on your mouse. A drop-down will appear. From here, click on Delete Table. And that's how you delete a table in Google Docs. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.